Good morning, Facebook. Hello, Facebook. It is early. It is about a little after 6 a.m. I'm sitting here getting some work done and have some phone calls that I have to get on here. My weekly wrap up and coaching calls that I do. So it's early. Friday mornings are typically an early morning for me. So good morning to everybody tuning in. I know it's early. I just wanted to drop a couple things about what's going on, Thanksgiving, and what we're doing as far as the grocery store. So we are going to be open for takeout on Thanksgiving. Some people confuse us with doing a soup kitchen on Thanksgiving, but we're not a soup kitchen on Thanksgiving. We're a soup kitchen on Christmas Day, where we provide anybody who asks for a meal, no questions asked meals on Christmas Day. And some people get confused and they're like, I want to help, I want this and that. It's not for Thanksgiving, it is for Christmas Day. We do the soup kitchen. Thanksgiving Day we are open. I don't want to say normal hours, but we're open for takeout from 11 to 2. Now, if you want us to cook your Thanksgiving dinner, you have to call right away. 647-3000. We'll call right now. But call today, call tomorrow, and we've extended the day, the cutoff time, because I have extra turkey now. I was able to get enough turkey to do, 20 more dinners maybe, but that's it. People call and they order 10 at a time, so that may not last long. So if you're interested in us doing Thanksgiving Day for you, pick up between 11 and 2. It's $27 a person. Turkeys are hormone, antibiotic free, all that kind of stuff, all of our regular standards. The local cranberries, organic stuffing, organic creamed corn, organic butternut squash, organic sweet potato puree, that whole thing. That's that's our deal, and that's what we're doing on Thanksgiving. It's $27 a person. 11 to 2 you can pick up. There is a gluten-free stuffing option. All of the sides are dairy-free and vegetarian. So if you are vegetarian, we can accommodate you. We can do tofurkey. We have tofurkey. That's easy to do. We can do tofurkey and all the same sides because they are dairy-free and there's no chicken stock or turkey stock in any of those. So we can easily accommodate that. Good morning, everybody tuning in. Allison, Thomas, Anthony, of course, Jamie's tuning in. So good morning to everybody. It is Friday morning. I don't even know today's date. So the 20th, 21st, 20th, the 20th. So good morning to everybody who's tuning in. And that's it. Just want to get on and say that we have a lot of stuff in our grocery store that you can buy if you wanted to buy for Thanksgiving or just in general. We can even make you platters for Thanksgiving if you want a charcuterie platter, if you want a hummus platter, if you're going to somebody's house and you just want to bring something, we've got you covered with food. If you wanted to bring something to drink, then we've really got you covered. We can easily hook you up with some great suggestions for wine or bourbon. So stop by and see us. You do have to comply with New York State Liquor Authority and buy something substantial. If you buy alcohol, and substantial means, it can literally mean cookies, it can mean dessert, it can mean one of our frozen pizzas. You can buy these great frozen pizzas that now come from Naples, Italy. So that light back there, by the way, that's shining right there, that is that's a new light fixture. We have 2 of these new light fixtures. They're actually antique old light fixtures that are hanging over 2 of the tables. Part of our green certification is whenever we buy new fixtures, even furniture, things like that, they want us to look for things that are already pre-owned as part of our green certification. As far as being eco-friendly, our green certification, we do, I think, almost 55 different steps to protect the environment. And if we can reuse something, repurpose something, of course, then that is a home run. Recently, we took all of these doors and we made partitions out of them. So there's doors all over the dining room that we've done partitions out of. We could have easily had new partitions built, and a lot of restaurants are doing plexiglass and things like that. But we got major points from the Green Restaurant Association for building our barriers with something that already previously existed. So that's part of our green certification, doing that. Plus, the doors look much better than plexiglass. So it kind of fits more of our decor. And we can move them around, which is the great part. I've mounted them all. They have stands on the bottom, and you can move them around in between tables to make tables feel comfortable and build a barrier. Let's see. So back to Thanksgiving. $27. Full turkey dinner if you want salmon or you want brisket. We have those options as well. Some people don't eat turkey, but they want all the stuffings and the sides. We can do that. If you just wanted, let's say, cranberry sauce from us, like a pint of cranberry sauce, we can probably do that. Call us. We can probably, I don't have a price on stuff like that yet. If you want to just cream corn, we can probably do that. I think I made enough, or I will be making enough, or have enough ingredients that to have enough. The cranberry sauce I just made, I made that I think yesterday, and made a lot of cranberry sauce. I have about 5 gallons of cranberry sauce, so I can probably easily do extra things like cranberry sauce. Our cranberry sauce is very simple. It's cranberries, oranges, cinnamon, a couple cinnamon sticks, water, and some of our organic coconut sap, evaporated sap, the coconut sugar. And we just bring it to a simmer, let it simmer for 30 minutes, let all the cranberries pop, and chill it, and it congeals all the pectin in it. It's really nice cranberry sauce. I've been making cranberry sauce like that for years. So we've had cranberry sauce here in the past, same thing. That's the story with the cranberry sauce. Let's see, check out our grocery list. Burrata just came in yesterday, a fresh burrata from Puglia, Italy. We doubled up this week because we've been running out every week. So if you want some burrata for your house for this weekend, very, very easy to do. Jamie and I are working on an exciting project to do some catering next year at a beautiful property here locally. Really, really nice. We're looking at doing some catering where we do weddings for 50 people, smaller scale things. Comes with a beautiful, beautiful house and beautiful grounds, lots of acreage. So Jamie and I have been there working on planning like a kitchen and everything for this, that we can have sort of our own catering space. It's really, really, really exciting. So if you want to book us, for a smaller wedding, who knows what we're going to be allowed to do next year for weddings? Who knows what we'll be able to do? 100, 200 people, 50 people. This is such an ideal spot for 50 people. We can easily do 200 at this property too. Plenty of parking and everything. So Jamie and I have been working on it. That's super exciting. So if you know anybody that's getting married this next year that needs a property or things, we have. And it comes with a big house, lots of bedrooms. You rent the whole thing for the weekend, lots of space there. Can sleep a lot of people, and then we're converting the garage into a kitchen and everything. It's really, really exciting. So if anybody needs a space, an event space for next year, let us know. And if you need an event space for next week, let us know, because we can still pull something off. We can even do holiday parties in this house. If you have 20 people for your company, you don't have to spend the night there, but it's a great space to have a party. Really, really great. So if you have a company party that you want to do, we can easily do something there and cater it and do everything. So that's the story of that. Jay and I have been working on that, and that's why I'm up. That's one of the reasons I'm up early this morning, is to do some work on that as well. Let's see. That's about it. I have to get ready for some of my phone calls here, and just want to get on early. I like to get on Facebook Live early. It seems like I always have a lot of people on early, but depending on what time I do it during the day, there's sometimes different people watching, so it just gives it a break and gives other people an opportunity that are free to watch at different times. So yeah, so we're open Thanksgiving, $27, the whole deal. Call us 647-3000. Call us today, tomorrow to book that. We can do about 20 more dinners, and then we're going to be sold out, because you can't order more turkeys. Once the turkeys are here, once they're en route and all that kind of stuff, there's no just getting a turkey the last minute on Wednesday to cook more dinners. That's really not how that works. Us restaurateurs have to pre-order, typically pre-order, especially turkeys that are hormone-free, antibiotic-free, that whole deal. We have to pre-order them as early as September. So we have to put our initial order in to the company, and then we can alter, if we say I want 200 pounds, we can alter and say, well, do you have 275 for me? Do you have 150? We can alter things as we get closer to the week, but our order's in for turkeys, and that's it. The order's finalized. So, and of course, it's almost impossible to know how busy you're going to be for Thanksgiving, or when you order in September to even know what's going on, except that, you could possibly be busy for Thanksgiving. So, and that's it, folks. Everybody have an amazing day. Jamie should be on later for her live at 4 o'clock. I hope. She's missed a couple days this week. Literally, we've been so busy doing that other event space and doing other things and I've been in the kitchen a lot lately. So that's it. All right, everybody, have an amazing day, and we'll talk to you later.